Welcome to Market Peeker. Today, we're talking about a must-have for any trader, a Forex trading plan. A solid plan isn't just a tool, it's your roadmap to success. Let's break it down. First, define your goals. Are you trading for short-term profits, long-term growth, or both? Clear objectives will shape your strategy and keep you focused. Next, choose your trading style. Whether it's scalping, day trading, or swing trading, pick one that suits your schedule and risk tolerance. Risk management is key. Decide how much of your account you're willing to risk per trade. Many traders stick to 1 to 2% to protect their capital during losing streaks. Then, set entry and exit rules. Use tools like support, resistance, and indicators to plan when to get in or out of a trade. Don't rely on emotions. Stick to the rules. Finally, review and adapt. Track your trades. Analyze what worked and what didn't, and tweak your plan over time to improve.